Creating a questionnaire in WordPress is straightforward using plugins or form builders. Follow these steps. Install a form builder plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for plugins like WP Forms, Formidable Forms, or Contact Form 7. Click Install and then activate the chosen plugin. Create a new questionnaire form. After activation, go to the Plugins menu in the WordPress dashboard. Choose a template such as survey or questionnaire form or start with a blank form. Add fields for your questionnaire. Common fields include text fields for open-ended questions, multiple choice fields for single answer questions, checkboxes for multiple answer questions, drop-downs for selecting options, rating scales or sliders for quantitative feedback. Customize the questionnaire. Use drag and drop features to arrange fields. Add conditional logic to show or hide questions based on user responses. Customize form labels, descriptions, and confirmation messages. Embed the questionnaire. Save the form and copy the shortcode or block provided by the plugin. Add the shortcode to a post, page, or a widget where you want the questionnaire to appear. Test and publish. Preview the questionnaire to ensure it works correctly. Publish your page or post and share the link with respondents.